To quickly know if your advertising can be profitable, you only need three numbers: product price, profit margin before ads, break-even ACOS. Before continuing, it is important to understand what ACOS means. ACOS stands for Advertising Cost of Sale. It is one of the most important metrics used when managing advertising campaigns on Amazon. ACOS tells you how much of your sales revenue is being spent on advertising. The formula for ACOS is simple: advertising spend divided by advertising revenue. For example, if you spend $10 on advertising and that advertising generates $40 in sales, your ACOS would be calculated as 10 divided by 40. This equals 25% ACOS. This means that 25% of the revenue from that sale was spent on advertising. Now let us return to our example. Suppose you sell a product for $40 and your total cost is $28. Your margin before advertising becomes $12. Now we calculate the break-even ACOS. Break-even ACOS tells you the maximum advertising percentage you can afford before your profit becomes zero. The formula is profit before ads divided by selling price. So, in this example, 12 divided by 40, this equals 30%. This means your break-even ACOS is 30%. If your advertising ACOS stays below 30%, your product can still be profitable. If your ACOS rises above 30%, your advertising cost will exceed your available profit margin, which means the sale may become unprofitable. Understanding this number is extremely important for Amazon sellers because it helps you decide how aggressively you can advertise your product while still protecting your profit margin. Many experienced sellers also set something called a target ACOS, which is usually lower than the break-even ACOS. For example, if the break-even ACOS is 30%, a seller may try to keep their campaigns around 20 to 25% ACOS to maintain a comfortable profit margin. Now let us understand why knowing all this is helpful. When you know your break-even ACOS, you can immediately evaluate whether your advertising campaigns are performing well or not. Instead of guessing, you can compare your campaign ACOS with your break-even ACOS and quickly see if your advertising is profitable. This knowledge also helps you make better decisions when adjusting bids, selecting keywords, and managing advertising budgets. If your ACOS is much higher than your break-even ACOS, it is a clear signal that the campaign needs optimization. On the other hand, if your ACOS is comfortably below your break-even level, it means your campaign may have room to scale and generate more sales. In simple terms, understanding these numbers helps sellers control their advertising costs, protect their profit margins, and grow their business more sustainably on Amazon.